Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing the playing cards with a crystal healing guide. So this was sent in to me by a subscriber, so thank you so much, Lady Darcel. They also sent me the positive affirmation playing cards. They know how much I love to go into Five Below to check out what deals they have over there. So they picked this up for me. So thank you so much. I feel so honored that you thought of me. So that's where you can find these at Five Below, and I will link everywhere that you can purchase these down in the description box below. So these were $1, and let's see, do they have a publisher? It looks like it's RMS International. So 52 cards and a visual crystal healing guide. So these are playing cards, obviously, like you would play for with poker and gin, rummy, and all of that stuff. But it looks like they are crystal themed. So let's take a look. Okay. We have a little tuck box here. Oh, it looks like the visual guide is the cards. Okay. So here's the back. It's a gloss. I call it like a slight gloss. The cardstock, it's pretty thin. Like it's you can tell it was $1. It's a thin deck, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I like the size of it. All right. Okay, cool. So it has the name of the gemstone, and then it has some attributes of it. And for those of you who like to use these cards as a tarot deck, you can totally do so. So the hearts, these would be the cups in the minor suit. If you use a playing card deck for tarot, just remember there will be no pages. The knights will be the jacks, and then the joker is the fool. Okay, so far these are pretty cool. Let's see what that says. Love, trust, and emotional healing. These can be used for flashcards too. For $1, I'm pretty impressed. This is a great way to, like, if you are in the broom closet, so to speak, this would be great to have as an oracle deck or a tarot deck, but it is just a playing card set. But yeah, I would definitely see this as being a really good oracle deck. All right, diamonds. These are going to represent pentacles. Blue beryl, that's one I don't see often. Oh, I love malachite. Be careful when you go to purchase malachite, please. If you guys do want to go and buy your own gemstones, please do it locally if you can, or do your research to make sure you're getting, the correct gemstones. Malachite is pretty easy, I should say, to replicate. So be careful when you go and purchase the malachite. With any stone, really. Oh, an opal. Love that. Citrine looks really orange. All right. Then we have the clubs, which would represent the wands. I love hematite. Serpentine. Love that. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's more of a green, earthy color. This always reminds me, sometimes depending on the shape, it reminds me of a T-bone steak or a watermelon. It can be both. It's really an interesting gemstone, crystal, whatever you want to, however you like to call it. That's one that I don't see often either. Oh, they spelt labradorite wrong. This is one of my favorites. I love opalite too. However, this looks like fluorite. Opalite is more, it looks almost like an opal. I don't have one on my desk at the moment, but yeah, this looks more like fluorite. Okay, spades are going to be the swords. That does not look like a moonstone either. Correct keywords there, but yeah, that that's a shame. I like apatite too. I feel like everyone should own a tiger eye. And a wonderful crystal. I love me a sodalite too. Okay, there's a rainbow fluorite. Oh, that's one I haven't seen before in a deck. As far as like relating the what would be like the 10 of Pentacles or the 10 of Swords here to the crystal, I don't think there was much thought put into that, you know, for how to use the deck. So I'm not even going to like judge that or critique that. But I do think that this would be great for an oracle. This looks like watermelon tourmaline. All right, let's see how they shuffle. They feel smaller than a playing card set. It could just be me being so used to a tarot deck, but you know, they shuffle just fine. I don't really have an issue. They're very flexible. I think those of you with smaller hands would really like this. Yeah, I don't have an issue with how it shuffles. And then we're gonna just take a real long peek real fast at the serpentine. So regeneration, luck, and healing. So this is a raw serpentine. So that looks pretty good. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty close. So yeah, there's just a couple ones that are in the deck that I called out that I was like, I don't know about that, though they might have gotten a really bad picture or a really bad info. But, you know, I think this would be great to help learn the different capabilities of the crystals. I think this would also be great to help, like this looks a little bit more like opalite, but not really. I feel like this would be great for beginners. I feel like this would be great just to have like an extra deck to help you learn if you're on a budget. And like I said, if you're in the broom closet, this can double as a few things for you. So thank you so much for sending this deck my way. I think it's adorable. There are a few things that are concerning about it, but for $1, I'm going to let it slide. So thank you again. I really appreciate it. I will link everywhere that you can purchase this should you want to. And I'm trying to look to see if there are, you know, a name or author or anything of the sort, and I cannot find it. So maybe I can find it on the online sources. Thank you again. And, you know, you guys don't have to send me anything, but if you want to send me things like this, I will have my P.O. box down in the description box below. And don't forget, I have a link tree where you can find all of my social medias as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much to everyone. I appreciate you. I love you and I like you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.